All right, for everybody, we're going to take a look at the difficulties of grocery stores and grocery work. So, we really look at the problems of the grocery store, grocery tools. So, let's look at the following, just the list. So, here is the inexpensive items that make shopping less stressful. So, if you have a caregiver with you or you're just by yourself, you have the following items. So, grabber, richer tool, you have shopping basket that fits on the wheelchair, cup holder for you, a small backpack if you need to hold something, a wheelchair side bag. You have a phone holder to don't lose your phone. A foldable tote. There is a small flashlight for dark parking lots if you're going through the darkness of the parking lot. Portable seatbelt cutter, window breaker for an emergencies. Oh, this is different. Okay. All right. For next time, we will have to look when you're thinking about the grocery store when you're going through the situation. So we're gonna think about what grocery store you want to choose. So you want to look at if they have the automatic doors, handicap parking, width of aisles that you can get through, reachability of shelves, accessible checkout, electric shopping carts, because sometimes that is very helpful. Helpful employee that's going to help you. Restroom accessibility for you going through if you need to take a little break. Smooth flooring to make sure you can get through okay. Space and around produce displays, because that can come around. We're going to look at things I look for before I even go inside. So parking, cart return areas, curb cuts, sidewalk conditions, snow or rain hazards, distance from parking for entrance. And then we're going to think about high shelves. That might be an issue, but ask an employee, ask another shopper, use a reacher for you, buy online if needed, your reacher. If you don't have one, then use it for your grocery plans. You could even include funny moments for you getting into the grocery store. Think about, let's see, what else? We think about that We want to think about what kind of grocery stores that you can think about. Walmart, and this is the United States, but this could be in your area. Walmart, Aldi's, Costco, Sam's Club, Kroger's, Target's, or other local grocery stores that might be better for you. And those are just the list that I wanted to give you so that you have when you are going to work for and look at for your grocery store. So if you have any other issues or questions that you want to think about, your grocery stores and groceries, getting through your needs, think about it. So, reach high items and help locate produce, answer questions for you, make your visit, that you're going to trying to figure out, that's less stressful. So those are all really important things that you want to think that will help. The checkout matters. So is there enough space, to approach the register? If you're looking at that, can you reach the card reader? Is self-checkout practical for you? Would a cashier lane work better? So these are all the items that are really helpful for you to look at groceries and grocery stores and grocery shopping. So I'm hoping that this will help and as part of your groceries. So think of it all, and that is it for me. So think about it, and always, always, always stay safe, stay strong, and stay rolling. All right, we'll see you soon, and I hope you do a good find for your grocery store time.